It's easier than ever to enjoy the freshest, most flavorful coffee from whole beans right at home with the Cuisinart Grind and Brew 12-cup coffee maker. The innovative DirectFlow grind assembly seamlessly moves coffee beans through the professional-style Burr grinder right into the brew basket, resulting in perfect uniformity and superior taste, cup after cup. The AutoRinse feature makes sure all coffee grounds enter the brew basket, eliminating any extra cleanup of coffee residue. To brew, choose a strength option ranging from regular, bold, or extra bold. Then select from 4 to 12 cups. Based upon your selection, the exact amount of beans are dispensed and ground using the grind control. The half-pound bean hopper sealed lid ensures maximum freshness, and the Burr grinder can be switched off to use ground coffee with the push of a button. The Grind and Brew is fully programmable and includes a brew pause feature, 24-hour brew start, and automatic shutoff. The large display provides a clear view of customized selections, and it's all backed by a 3-year limited warranty. With the Cuisinart Grind and Brew, our innovative coffee technology lets you enjoy cup after cup of fresh and flavorful coffee.